What's the meaning of cantankerous? Cantankerous. Cantankerous.
Cantankerous. Cantankerous. Cantankerous is an adjective that describes a difficult, argumentative, or irritable person or thing. It implies a tendency towards being uncooperative and quarrelsome. A cantankerous individual might be described as grumpy, bad-tempered, and prone to complaining frequently. Such a person may have little regard for others' feelings or opinions and may often engage in arguments without any justifiable reason. Overall, cantankerous refers to someone or something that is unpleasant, stubborn, and difficult to deal with.